Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mary and we are going to do something fast, simple, and easy today. We're simply just going to make taco meat. How often are you short on time and you're looking for something just quick and easy? Well, for me, that's today. So I'm going to start by spraying my pan with a non-stick spray, and I have 2 pounds of ground beef. Just regular, I think it's probably 80-20 or something for the roll. And we're simply just going to chop that up and get it started browning for right now. Okay, we're continuing to stir the ground beef and let everything break up and brown nicely. But while we're doing that, we are going to make a taco seasoning mix. Yes, you can use the package type. It's not a problem at all. But you can also do the DIY version, which is what I do a lot of times because I usually have all these seasonings on hand, so why not? Okay, we're starting out with chili powder. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of chili powder. We'll put a little bit more, there's just that much left in there, so. Like I've always said, folks, a recipe's a guideline, make it your own. If you need to adjust. It's okay, it's not the end of the world. Unless it's bacon, then you need to be more precise. Okay, we're going to put some garlic powder. We're going to put a teaspoon of garlic powder. Who doesn't love garlic? I'm tempted to double that, but you know, I'm not going to. We're going to put a ½ teaspoon of onion powder. And folks, I will give you the directions in the description box, so don't worry about trying to get it off the video. We don't have to do that. Okay. We're going to put a ½ teaspoon of oregano. What's your favorite thing to do with ground beef? Do you like tacos? Do you like spaghetti? Do you like chili? You just like a good hamburger. What's your favorite thing to do with ground beef? Let me know in the comments. I like almost anything food, so it's hard for me to pick a favorite. Okay. We're going to use some smoked paprika. If you folks have only used just the plain paprika, you need to try the smoked. It is so good. It adds a whole different layer of flavor there. It's my favorite. I'm going to put a tablespoon of ground cumin, which is also a smoky type spice. Okay, we're going to put some black pepper, a ½ teaspoon. That one's stubborn. You guys ever have problems getting the lids off spices? Let me know in the comments. We won't talk about that one too much. But seriously, guys, sometimes it happens. And this calls for 2 teaspoons of salt. I always use the pink Himalayan sea salt. It has a lot more minerals and whatnot in there than the regular iodized salt does. And another thing about making your own mix, folks, you can control the amount of salt that you have in there. We don't use a lot of salt, and as far as that's going to go, that's really not that much salt. But look at those beautiful layers right there. And if you turn the jar around, it looks like one of those little sand glass type bottles that you used to make as decorations with kid with a different color sand. Just saying. Okay, but for now, I'm going to get my mix back. I'm going to put a lid on it. And I'm just going to shake it up. Mix it up really good. Okay, folks. Looks a little different from what it did a minute ago. Now that is your DIY taco seasoning mix. Okay. Our meat is almost brown. So we're just going to let this go for 3 or 4 more minutes. And then we're going to drain it. Okay. We have our meat finished and drained. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the taco seasoning mix per pound. And I have 2 pounds of meat here. Then I also add ½ cup water per pound. So I'm putting my cup of water in there. So let's mix this up. Man, that smells so good. Let everything simmer and the water evaporate and all the flavors incorporate. And folks, I mean, that's just a super simple little taco. You can either put it as a taco salad, you can do it on greens, you can put it on tortilla shells, you can put it in a taco shell, you can put it in one of the flour wraps. You can put it in tomatoes, you can bake it in a biscuit. There's just so many possibilities that you can do with just something so simple. But as you can see, this has already changed colors. It's got the orange color, and just about all of the water is absorbed. Let's get on with dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the homemade taco seasoning, because I know I'm getting ready to. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you on the next video.